We don't want inferior. We don't want virus. We don't want brutality. We don't want injustice. We want justice. And justice must take its place. That's why we are inviting the international community, especially the BBC and the CNN. Let them set their satellite everywhere. Any ringing, we don't need it. God will bless you. I want CNN and BBC, the international community. Let them focus on now. Let them focus on Nigeria, especially on the election that is coming on Saturday, because we are not going to allow them to intimidate us anymore. We are tired of their intimidation. See, now we have a choice. You have a choice of your own, and now what PDP is the choice of Edo people. Majority of Edo people don't even want another party, especially this APC, the central party of power. See how Nigeria is feeling. See, they finish, they stabilize Nigeria. See, Nigeria is walking on the street. Many are falling down. You can't go to your work. You will not trek half. See, no motor, no food, no work, nothing. See, APC government have come and they have now let us know that they are more than demons. See, that type of a system, we don't want them in my state. We want a peaceful demonstration of a government that we will be experiencing under Obaseki. We don't want inferior. We don't want virus. We don't want brutality. We don't want injustice. We want justice. And justice must take its place. That's why we are inviting the international community, especially the BBC and the CNN. Let them set their satellite everywhere. Any ringing, we don't need it. We want a peaceful atmosphere, and we are going to win. We are Edo State. We have our choice, and our choice is what we know. PDP. APC in the central, see what they done to Nigeria. See, Nigeria is tired of the movement of their language. Their body language is zero. The scam, the brainwash, hope, renew hope, all in the name of grabbing power. At the end of the day, what have you done? See how Nigeria is going up around, roaming around from morning to night. Nowhere to be going. Don't know where to be going. Because of what? Because the party on ground in brainwash many people. Including me that is standing here. I believe that they are there. And I believe there's commonality. And I say, I was clapping hand for this. Now, anyhow, now we. Okay, see what happened now. Everybody's regretting. Why? Because punishment don't call punisher. They punish us. They punish Nigeria. They punish the generality of Nigeria. 200 something million Nigeria is not punished under this government. APC, All Progressive Congress. What's the meaning? Now we now know that they are the bar society. So that kind of situation, we don't allow them in my state. It can never happen in my state. My state is not for APC. My state is not for virus. My state is for the people. It's democracy. For the people, and for the people, and for the people. Now, we are who we are. We are Edo State. Nobody can install anybody on the nation. The heartbeat of the nation. Without the beating of the heart, the nation fell down. We don't want anybody apart from who we want. PDP. You see, PDP is coming generality of Nigeria. PDP will come again. That's so rock. They go occupy because those who are there, they are scammer, the brainwasher, the 419s, the Biafrans. So we don't need those type of group of people because they don't care about you and I. They don't care about us. But no, whether you buy one cup of Gary 100 million, they don't care. Whether you live, they don't care. Their own is to pack the money and swallow and carry and go to buy. Build the houses there. So those people are not wanted in my state.
But no, I've seen the police arresting PDP.
See, the police, what are they supposed to do? They leave the real work, they now face his shadow. Arrest the whole state now. Pack on the whole state, carry them to Abuja. Then a spirit will not vote for you. A tegun will not vote for them. You see, they failed the test, they failed it woefully.
They are clamping down the power of PDP.
They're wrong. So the deal has been done, but they are wrong. The policy brought them down. It brought it down. The policy is negative. How will not brought it down? So you want to use by force? It's not possible. It's not possible to rule that place by force. Oshemola and Co, their days are gone. The time for everything. The time for birth, the time for death, the time for everything. The time of Oshemola, everybody was happy. But now, you now join the carrots of the Mafians. See, you want to involve us with that language of that mafias? No. We want generality of the people to be happy. Let's share the equal right of justice. Let everybody take his own according to his giving. Not that you will not, one person will not collect something that belongs to 70,000 people, put up for your pocket. You say, even by force, one room. It's not possible. The marriage is not like that.
Not like that.
It's not like that. We are a peaceful country. We are a peaceful state. We are the heartbeat of the nation. And we know our rights. We don't give a damn to any intimidation. We will face them with the laws. See what they are doing now? And they even know the truth. But they are trying to hide it. Why don't you make Nigeria a safe house? Make Nigeria eat. Make Nigeria live. We know that things are hard, but Nigeria is harder and harder and harder and wickedly harder. So we are tired of them. So they have no room in my home. They have no room. They have no space. There is no space there. There's no space for them. You know, everybody know. See, the international community, they are watching over us. They are watching the film, and the film is a real film, and we are not going to allow the wrong hope to rule us. We are tired of them. The kid know them. Talk less of you and I that's adult. So why will we allow it? They have no room in my state. No matter the intimidation. Come Saturday, you will see the answer and you will see the result perfectly.
But Olua, from what you can see now, do you not think, you know, if the APC-led government forces themselves or, you know, rig this election, do you not think this will cause serious conflict, serious problem?
In Abia State. You see what happened in Abia State? The boys, the guys, the men, the women, everybody starts shit, morning to night. Say, no, this justice must be done. This justice must be done. And it will be done. It must be done. When you are tired, you are tired. Now is the last fight, the last battle. You make sure you grab your last battle with your last blood. We are not going to allow them anymore. See, Abia State is an example. Before you know now, we will go to Edo State. You see, if you let me carry 700,000 police come there, their will is their will, not your will. You can't force them to drink water when they don't the water when they don't like to drink. You understand me? So, come Saturday, PDP won. That's my hope.
So
nothing for APC.
But why are you saying that? The APC now they bribe the INEC and the police.
They bribe the whole world. Their time is over. Their time is gone. Their time is gone. We don't tire for bribing now. You collect money at the end, you not suffer for how many years? Which one will you choose? To collect or to suffer?
But
stand on yourself now.
Nigerians, they don't know that one.
Nigeria don't collect. The sufferness don't come. Now they don't know. Say yes, this sufferness we can never continue like this. We want to stop that mentality of collecting money. You can collect, chop out, see go where you want to go. Go in the place that you want to go. No room for them anymore. They can't intimidate us anymore. We are tired of the policy. The policy is a virus home. So we don't need that type of situation in my state. The deal has been done. Whether you go up or you come down, everybody knows the truth. The truth is set you free. Edo State is for PDP. The central government on top. The intimidation will never let them see what they are looking for. See, let Nigeria live. Nigeria is not living. So why are you want to use your power, almighty power? Where about the kidnappers? Where about the brutality? Where about the bandits? You see, you leave all those one. If you want to face those states, face it, but the people will be done. The will of the people must be done. It must stand, and it stand already.
You see, American Congress, for someone or a nation to meet them and address them, is just like a major breakthrough of passing for a camel to pass through the eyes of needle. It's just a major breakthrough. Just like a camel passing through the eyes of the needle's eyes. You see? And you can see, this will tell you that Biafran lobbies, that our God-given able Prime Minister, His Excellency, Simon Ekpa, have chosen. They are men of integrity. those lobbyists are men of integrity. They are men of honor, men of respect. They are men who has focus. They are men who can achieve what people think that cannot be achieved by the wisdom and the grace of God in them. Now, they have made it possible what Biafra wasn't able to get in the first Republic of Biafra. These lobbies have made it possible for Biafrans to get it in the second Republic of Biafra. So those men have done a fantastic job, a very good job, and it's so marvelous in our eye because it's a thing man cannot do, but God have used them to do it. And the God that will give someone wisdom to look for these lobbies and make someone to get the right lobbies. I give glory and honor to that God of Almighty, God of heaven and earth, who made it to be possible for us to get this type of lobbies. And they have done their job very perfect. And you will see that it's a part of victory for Biafrans, and it's a part of success of declaration of Biafra coming this December 2nd of 2024. This is a way to show that Biafra already succeeded by the grace of God. Because these lobbies that went to meet American Congress, I am quite sure that it's a good news for Biafra. I am quite sure that it's a recognition of Biafran government in exile. And they made the Congress recognize Biafran government in exile. Whosoever is in power as a president will does it, only put his signature. And if America come out to stand with Biafra, Biafra have succeeded. Because America fought for their own freedom. They know what it takes to fight for freedom. This is why Finland still stand with Biafra. Because Finland fought for their own freedom. They know what it takes to fight for freedom. This is why both Finland, America, if they come up to support us, Biafra is successful. You understand? And this will show you that America will not sit on defense again. Like in the First Republic War, Biafra Republic War, America was sitting on defense. This time around, this will show that America is not interested to sit on defense again, but they are come fully for the recognition of Biafra. So it's a very good thanks, very big thanks, glory and honor to God Almighty. He made it to be possible for us.
But with this meeting, do you think that's it shows that Biafra is becoming more global? That's they're already getting that attention that they needed.
Yes, Biafra is becoming more global. Do you know what made us to lose in the First Republic Biafran War? Because the publicity we have now, we don't have it that time. And that time there was no lobbies, foreign lobbies. We only have Chukwu Merije, which is Chukwu Merije, and the original Okokonden. Only these people that are trying. But now we have outside lobbies. We have internal lobbies. Like me, the new Okokonden. Well, one of the lobbies at home. And we have foreign lobbies. People analyzing here. They are part of the lobbies in homeland, in media. Eh? Then we have the one abroad. And those abroad are doing fine. Therefore, media warriors are doing fine. Pastor Van and Co. They are doing fine. Mr. Godo, they are doing fine. This man, Sami Ekmaraga, they are doing fine. Biafran cabinet, Biafran Republic government cabinet in exile, they are doing fine. Our Prime Minister is doing broadcasts day after day, minute after minute. He's doing fine. The publicity is going on. Our lobbies are moving ahead, doing fine. This is why Simon Ekpa said that Biafrans are 1 million ahead of Nigeria. Have you seen it? So by God's grace, Biafra is moving. And Biafra is having more recognitions all over the world. Europe, Asia, America, North and South America, Western Asia, Eastern Asia, Central Asia. Biafras are moving. Biafra have this world, Biafra have become household word in any family all over the world. Biafra have become household word in any family all over the world. Therefore, I mean, God is on our side. God is doing it for us. The angels are announcing it. Very small time, the trumpet of Biafra will blow for the restoration of Biafra by Archangel Michael. He will do it for us by the grace of God.
And lastly, do you think that do you think on the long run, do you think that the December 2 declaration date is still visible?
December 2, 2nd December 2024, as our prime minister have said, that is a sacrosanct, which means it's a thing that will surely be done. It's a thing that there be no delay. It's a thing what comes on, come rain, it will be announced. Unless God in heaven asks him to stop.
But some have come and said that ECPA have declared different dates, previously, but none have come to fruition.
Yes, that's true. ECPA, our prime minister, have declared so many days, man proposed, but God disposed. Now, ECPA have endless desire. Our prime minister, His Excellency Simon Ekpa, have endless desire to declare Biafra, but he cannot go out of the will of God. It's when God defeats the timetable for him to do it, will do. But when he defeats his own timetable as a human being and go and check the timetable of God does not respond, then he will shift his own, waiting for God times to come. This is why I tell you that it's only God in heaven will make this December 2nd not to be declared. But as far as God has proved it, someone can have nothing to do than to declare it.
Buzu was killed by the joint, task force of the police, the DSS, and the army in the north there. I think Zamfara State. See, let me tell you, his boss, Buzu's boss, is Toji. Turji, Toji Bello. So Toji Bello should be the person of interest, because Toji Bello has been taunting and mimicking Nigerian military so many times on video, flaunting money, flaunting hostages, levying, that's giving orders to pay tolls to the farmers. I don't understand. And Nigerian military and police and DSS are watching. They have not gotten intel enough to go into the interior part of Zamfara, Katsina, North, Northwest, where Ojibelo groups are operating. They could not even track down the video. They could not even track down the SIM card. I don't know if not synergy of the military, police, DSS, and the GSM companies are not holding. I don't know why. Because from the GSM company, from the trackers device, bought for this military, the police, and so on and so forth, they're supposed to have at least known where these bandits are camping in the bush. These are people that can make call to the military, make call to the police, make call to the community heads in the north that they are coming, that they should pay them social amount of money, that they should pay ransom. Still, police cannot track it down. But if an ordinary Yahoo man is operating in Ibadan, is operating in Abeokuta, Nigerian police will just go there immediately under 5 minutes and track them down. Okay, there is something different between the insurgency in the southern Nigeria and the insurgency in the north. The insurgency in the north here, in the south here, is orchestrated by just mere, political sentiments. Political sentiment in the sense that they have separate hatred for the Igbos. Because the reason why they are going easily after any criminal in Igbo land is because of Biafra. Nigeria doesn't want anything emancipation of Biafra. That's why if anything happen at all today, before evening time, police are there. Nigerian policemen are there. If anything happen at Okoma community in the southern Nigeria, before you say Jack Robinson, the whole Nigerian military are combing the community, killing everybody in that community, burning down their houses. Okay, there are evidences there. Nigerian soldiers, when they have burned the houses in the community, kill elderly, kill youths in their large number. Tojibelo is operating there freely in the north. Tojibelo. Because why? It's from the almighty Fulani extraction. Fulani man that can commit any crime in Nigeria can walk free to anywhere in the regions of this country. Flaunting his AK-47, various clubs, broken bottles, jackknife, and dagger. And Nigerian police and military cannot do anything. They will tell you they have rights to do that. The Tinubu man doesn't have right to drag his land from Federal Republic of Nigeria. See, all the lands along the coastal line of Bight of Guinea to Bight of Bonny belong to Igbo man. Nigerian soldiers often onslaught on that land is as a result of hate generated from Nigerian civil war of 67 to 1970. See, and that war is still raging because the Gowon-led military clique, you see how many of them within the military today. That's why they could not forget the escalation of 1967 Nigerian Biafran civil war that lasted for 36 months. Today that war is raging. That's why if anything happens in Imo State, in Enugu State, before you make a call, soldiers are there killing everybody, killing mama, papa when they sell market on the village square. Yes, that is who we are, Igbos. But I can thank God. I can say thank God today that we have somebody like nnamdikanu. I can say thank God today that Samonaba, our Biafra Prime Minister in Finland, in exile, is doing his work. Because if not because of that man, Nigerian military would have annihilated the whole Anambra people, kill everybody in Imo State. But when they remember Samonaba, they will cool down. They will know that it's no longer business as usual. As I'm talking to you now, I still believe that every Igbo man in America, every Igbo man in Asia, every Igbo man that is on that continent of Antarctica, Africa here, Europe, America, Australia, they are IPOB, they are indigenous people of Biafra. Nigerian government are stacked with illiterates, bunches of illiterates. Indigenous meaning from that land, indigene. People, you and I, of Biafra, a state, a nation that existed 58, 57, 56, 55, no, let me just count it well. 58, 57, 56, 55, 54 years ago. It existed, it has airport, logistics are all right. Department of Logistics, they are there. They have refinery, they have their airport at Wuli, they have their currency. The currency is trending online now. Biafra is not an abomination, there was a country, and some persons are the owner of that land, and we are the people of Biafra. We don't need to deny it. So, if you tie catapult as a soldier police, go to catapult people in Igbo land. You are making mistake, they will catapult back at you. Is it not right time to go on the round table talk? After marginalizing Igbo for 54 years, Obi won an election last year and Tinubu hijacked Obi's mandate. Till today, Igbo man is being marginalized and nobody is afraid of talking about IPOB, indigenous people of Biafra. If you know that what you are doing is right, stay put, let us discuss it out. Again, had it been the gave Obi his mandate, everybody will be saying, Igbo man, cool down, you don't reach una come, make we watch how una go get Biafra. You hurt Igbo man, you don't allow Igbo man to be. Igbo man stay with you, don't allow him to do his business. Okay, what kind of nonsense is that? Nigerian soldiers you go to Zamfara and fight Tojibelo. They are the one constituting insecurity in Nigeria. The bandits, the Boko Haram, they are the one, not Biafran man, not Igbo land, not Igbo youth.
But we've seen the CDS, Musa come and say that he vowed his life that he's coming for Tonjibelo. But do you see him getting Tonjibelo, in the long run?
Okay, it's not a matter of talk. When you talk, you become talker. And when you become excess being a talker, you start suffering from what? Loquacity, loquaciousness. Then again, another one is diarrhea of the mouth. Many people will just talk. Blah, 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 blah. That's why we find ourselves in this mess. It's because of the talkativeness, loquacities of our what? Politicians that brought Nigerian society into this, our system. Today, all those talk, promises, during campaign. Have you seen anyone? People will tell you, say, is it not a bar? As if say a bar is cheap. Is it not beans? As if 15 naira can buy beans. Today, beans has gone high.
Our hand could not touch it. Oga, Nigerian politicians not get sense. It is good for the military to be themselves. Maintain the symbol that makes them soldiers and army. That is what we call it high morale. High morale in the military can never be bent. They are themselves and they are like cult. What they believe is what they believe. They don't go it the other way. If Musa, as you call his name, is a real military man, he's supposed to know that by now there should have been what? Martial music all over Nigeria. Martial music is when military is back to tell the civilians that they're not doing the right thing. It's just being politicized there, promising Bello. Toji Bello that is giving order to farmers to pay him money and they are paying him. Kidnapping at random, kidnapping every now and then. CDS is still quarreling and making his promises. Okay, as I am an Igbo man, I don't believe Nigerian government. I don't believe anybody. I don't believe Colonel Musa. I don't believe anybody. Insecurity, I don't like it. Killings of people, wasting innocent blood in the southeast, I don't like it. Killing of soldiers, killing of police, I don't like it. I am a man that can offload my conscience anytime. I don't like saying what is bad. CDS is promising all of Una. Toji Bello. People are dying everywhere in Yoruba. Kidnapping going on in the southeast, everywhere. Why not CDS roll tanks, went to the Sambisa forest, went into the Sahel countries, all the link borders between Nigeria and all the Sahel countries, come everywhere there, use their barbed wire, build their barracks there, and protect Nigeria from ISWAP. ISWAP, remember, there are white skins there. Nigerian military, the intelligence and police and DSS, they could not even know that those white people are from Iran and Middle East Europe, Arab world. The only people that are blaming now of Boko Haram is people from Kanuri extraction. I don't really understand. It has extended beyond that, beyond Kanuri. What has come to northern Nigeria is bigger than northern Nigeria. I don't expect Musa to be talking. Musa should be in action. We don't believe in talk.